We unknowingly shape and impact our planet in so many ways every single day. Ideas from proactive people help resolve conflicts, which in return creates informed decisions for citizens in our communities and around the world. Recently, many businesses have considered banning plastic straws and plastic bags because it's not only hurting our planet, it's also hurting sea animals too. Here are some things that you can do to help protect our planet. My name is Ms. Rios and this is Teacher Approved. Because it takes over 500 years for one plastic utensil to biodegrade, consider purchasing a 20-piece set of flatware for under $10 at Walmart. Invest in reusable containers instead of using paper and plastic. Set a recycling system at home. One trash can be used for perishable food and waste, while the other trash can be specifically used for items such as paper, plastic, and aluminum. Reuse bags as much as possible. Donate gently used items and clothing to a local charity. Be a responsible pet owner. Pick up after your pet with a reusable plastic grocery bag. To minimize fossil fuels, you can walk or ride your bike to school. Try using natural light whenever possible, and make sure you turn off the light when class is not in session. Even though notes are a very sweet gesture of teacher appreciation, there are other things that you can do to show your teacher how grateful you are for him or her, such as being ready to learn, listening, and being an excellent team player. Actions speak louder than words. You do not have to wait until Earth Day to start reducing, reusing, recycling, and replenishing resources for the benefit of our planet. My name is Ms. Rios, and this is Teacher Approved.